Hey guys, today I have this tutorial for a DIY card for a philosophy teacher. I'll be using a normal piece of 110-pound cardstock and a Muji pen. So my idea for this card is to have different philosophers either asking questions or making statements about chocolate. And I'm using chocolate as the topic because my philosophy teacher says he really likes chocolate, and so it makes sense to make it that. And so here I'm starting with John Locke, and I'm making him say, I must experience this chocolate. Next, we have Friedrich Nietzsche, and he is saying, I'm going to eat this chocolate because I want to. Next we have Socrates, who is questioning, so, what is chocolate? Does chocolate create a good life? Now we have David Hume, who is questioning, what was my first experience with chocolate like? To finish off the top row, I have Aristotle asking, what are my senses saying about this chocolate? For the next row, I have Immanuel Kant, who is saying, my personal maxim is to eat chocolate, so I must always eat chocolate. Next I have René Descartes, who is saying, this chocolate is only part of my dreams. My senses are deceiving me. Now we have Jeremy Bentham, who is saying, if I eat this chocolate, I will be pleased. But if I don't eat it, I will feel the pain of hunger. Then we have Auguste Comte, who is saying, I'm going to eat this chocolate because I want to help the chocolate producers. Now for the last one of the second row, I have Plato, who is asking, what's the ideal and decayed chocolate? What form is it? Now for the very bottom, I'm changing the format, so I have the face on the left and then the question on the right. And so I have my teacher asking, so, may I have some chocolate now? This is the finished front side of the card, and you can switch out any philosophers or add color if you want. For the back of the card, feel free to add one of these statements as a little side note and just to add a little bit of more philosophical fun to your card.